Bubble Yum Chocolate, Bubble Yum Spearmint, Bubble Yum Sour Apple Berry, Bubble Yum Yellin Melons, Bubble YUM Original Sugarless Bubble Gum, Bubble YUM Strawberry / Banana, Bubble Yum Cyclone, Bubble Yum Sour Cherry, Bubble Yum with Jolly Rancher Watermelon, Bubble YUM Tropical Punch, Bubble YUM Hawaiian Punch, Bubble YUM Cotton Candy Bubble Gum, Bubble YUM Wild Strawberry, Bubble Yum Wild Cherry, Bubble YUM Original Bubble Gum, Bubble Yum Grape.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.